Unlock the future of effortless payments with your Bank of America digital wallet. First, let's get your cards into the wallet. Open your Bank of America mobile app and tap on the Cards tab at the bottom. Locate your debit or credit card, then select Add to Digital Wallet. You'll be guided through a simple verification process, confirming your card details. Your card is now securely tokenized and ready to go. You can repeat this for all your eligible Bank of America debit and credit cards. Making contactless payments is as easy as holding your device near the terminal. For Apple users, ensure your Bank of America card is added to Apple Pay and unlock your iPhone or Apple Watch. For Android users, if you've added your card to Google Pay, simply unlock your phone and hold it near the payment reader. Your transaction is complete. For enhanced security, your actual card number is never shared with the merchant. Managing your transactions is also a breeze. Within the Bank of America app, you can view all your digital wallet activity in real time, categorized for easy tracking. This gives you instant visibility into your spending, right from your mobile device or even your smartwatch. Take control of your finances and enjoy the convenience and security of the Bank of America digital wallet.